Catalog Creator Tips and Tricks. Episode 3, Creating a Stretch.
It's Monday morning. Your inbox is full, deadlines are looming, and now you need to figure out how to build a stretch line in Catalog Creator. Don't panic. Let's break it down.
Welcome to this month's episode, Creating a Simple Stretch. Let's start by opening CET and navigating over to Model Lab. Go ahead and get Model Lab open. For our demonstration, we will be using a simple table. However, the process of adding a stretch ability to a symbol is the same for all models, with some very small differences to the model itself or how you want to stretch the symbol. So let's bring in our model file. To do this, simply drag and drop your model from Windows Explorer into the open space inside Model Lab. Here you will see our table model, and currently it has no stretching ability. How do we know it has no stretch ability? Well, the quick way to determine what if any stretch ability a model has is over on the left-hand side. Look for the stretch menu on the left. If there are no headings or names inside this white box, then the model does not have any stretch ability added to it. Let's start by changing the grid resolution to 14 and the help points to 14 as well. We also want to ensure the Show Sections box is checked before we get started. Next, click the blue plus icon. This will now put a grid over your model. For this demonstration, we are going to add a stretch to the top of the table so a user can stretch the length of the table inside CET. Orientate the model like you see in the video so it's easier to work with. Take your mouse and move the green ball to the left side of the table as shown, but make sure it's in the center of the table width-wise, and then do a single click. Now move the green ball to the right side of the table and do another single click. After clicking, it will instantly turn another color, and if you move your mouse to the left, you will see that it has tiny red dots and is different color. We want to split this table into 3 sections so it will stretch evenly. Now let's count out 5 small dots and do another single click. This section will turn yellow. Now, let's count another 5 dots and single click. This section will turn teal. And looking at what's left, we have one remaining section with 5 dots. However, we will do something different with this last section. Take your mouse and flick the cursor off of the model over to the left menu side of the screen as shown in the video. This will cause the last and final section to be created in the purple color. Now, looking at the stretch menu on the left, the words Measure 1 have appeared. Let's give this a name that makes more sense, as it will be used in more detail within Catalog Creator. Click on the text Measure 1 and then click the button that says Set ID. A dialog window will appear. Let's give it a name of Table Length to keep things simple. Next, we need to save the model with this new ability. Do this by going to File and Save. If you wanted to give the table the ability to stretch in other ways such as height or width, simply follow the same steps that you just did. Please keep in mind, while this video shows you how to do a very simple stretch on a symbol, there are other steps needed inside Catalog Creator to actually have this function work fully, such as seeing a visual of the symbol stretching. You will need to watch other upcoming tips and tricks videos or other training videos of how to fully complete the ability to stretch a symbol. Thanks for watching this month's tips and tricks video. A new video will be released every month on the 15th. If you have a suggestion for a tips and tricks video, please email catalogtraining@configura.com and I will do my best to include it in an upcoming video. Until next time, have a great month.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the new Catalog Creator YouTube channel to stay updated with new tips and tricks videos that are posted every month.